How to download and install Facebook Lite on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to download and install Facebook Lite on Android device. Without further ado, let's begin. On Android device, launch Play Store app. Sign into your account and tap search icon at bottom right. Navigate to search bar at top. Now type in Facebook Lite. Tap to search it and you need to make sure to choose the official Facebook Lite app. And after that you will see the install button. Select the install button and depending upon your space that you have on your device and the internet connections, it will take a few time to download and install on your device. Once it is installed, you can easily see open button. You can easily tap open and create account on Facebook Lite or even sign in. So in this way you can download and install Facebook Lite on Android device.
Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.